Hi everyone, so this time around I'm going to be solving question 12 from tutorial sheet, from your tutorial sheet, which is tutorial sheet 4. So question 12 is saying show that x minus y is a factor of x to the power 5 minus y to the power 5 is a factor of these numbers by using synthetic division, and then find the quotient of each case. So I'm just going to do one. I'm going to do one case here, and then you are going to do the other two cases. If you finish solving and you think your answer is not correct, you can send it to me on WhatsApp, and then I'll tell you whether it's correct or wrong. So let's quickly start solving. I'm going to solve this one, and then you solve this one and that one. So the same way I'm going to solve this is the way you solve these two, these other two. So every time you are showing that a given linear equation is a factor of any polynomial, you first have to equate that equation towards this to 0. So we're going to equate x minus y to 0 because we believe this is one of the zeros that we have is equal to, so this x is just going to be equal to y. And then from there, what do? You write this now. You write this. So we draw the synthetic what's this division table. Then our zero there is y. So we'll put y there, and then we're going to put the coefficient of x to the power 5 is 1. The coefficient of x to the power 4 is 0. The coefficient of x to the power 3 is 0. The coefficient of x to the power 2 is 0. The coefficient of x to the power 1 is 0. The coefficient of, the constant is now y to the power 5. So x squared, x cubed, x to the power 4, and then x to the power 5. So we bring down this one, we add. And then this one here, when you look at it, the constant. So since we're dealing with x, meaning we consider y to the power 5 to be a constant, and when you look at it, it's negative there, so I'll put a negative there. So y times 1, you get y. When you add 0 plus y, you get y. Y times y, you get y squared. When you add 0 plus y squared, you get y squared. So y times y squared, you get y to the power 3. And then when you add 0 plus y to the power 3, you get y to the power 3. Y times y to the power 3, you get y to the power 4. And then when you add 0 plus y to the power 4, you get y to the power 4. And then y times y to the power 4, you get y to the power 5. When you add y to the power 5, this negative y to the power 5 and y to the power 5, you get 0. So this shows that this is a proof, and we have shown that this is indeed a factor of this polynomial here. Why? Because our remainder that we've gotten here is 0. Then the question goes further to say find the quotient of, in each case. So in this case now, the quotient is going to be, this is going to be our this is going to be our constant. So I'll say the first one there will be x to the power 4, and then plus y x to the power 3, and then plus y squared x to the power 2. Then we have plus y cubed x to the power 1, and then we have the constant, which is y to the power 4. So this is the quotient. This is the quotient. After dividing this into that, you get this as your answer. Yes, so this is how you solve this question. So you can also try to solve this one and this one. you solve them in the same way that I've solved this one. So thank you very much for watching. Let's quickly move on to question 13.